Market investigators accept LTC could reach $250.13 by 2025. Bearish Litecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is $44.47. Litecoin presentation. The crypto market is effectively attacking the day-to-day existences of thousands of individuals on the planet. Each coin brings its ascribes to the table, some of which are more appropriate for explicit use cases than others. One of those coins, Litecoin, was laid out in 2011 and began a long history of development and improvement. This altcoin from the Bitcoin-based universe has become one of the most beneficial advanced tokens to put resources into, as it offers quicker exchanges and lower expenses than most other cryptos. In this cost forecast, we'll feature Litecoin's rudiments and its future as a drawn-out venture. If it's not too much trouble, recollect these LTC cost forecasts don't comprise venture counsel. Do exhaustive examination prior to putting resources into any digital money. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is an altcoin that was presented in 2011 by Charlie Lee to make cryptographic money exchanges quicker, reasonable, and productive. Named as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, LTC is positioned among the main 20 digital forms of money by market capitalization. Like Bitcoin, Litecoin is a crypto resource that uses a public record to record exchanges and proprietorship. Be that as it may, it varies from Bitcoin in key respect. Its ideal interest group is a lot more modest. In addition, though Bitcoin's motivation was to go about as money for the crypto market, Litecoin was fundamentally worked to support against Bitcoin's cost unpredictability by permitting quicker exchange times and lower exchange charges than BTC. Litecoin's specialized investigation. Your advancement in exchanging relies upon utilizing the suitable methodology. In this way, it's really smart to try them full scale and look at how well every strategy functions for you. The following are a few exchanging strategies utilizing specialized examination. Ichimoku strategy. Ichimoku Kinko Hyo is a day exchanging indicator created by Japanese scientist Goichi Hosoda following quite a while of study. There are many apparatuses accessible in the pointer to assist you with precisely foreseeing the cost bearing. At the point when the cost crosses beneath the gauge, a negative sign is given. On equilibrium volume system, the gauges of the exchanging pointer on equilibrium volume are fixated on the volume stream. Joining the OBV approach with different markers yields the best outcomes, as the signs are easy to decipher. An upturn happens when the volume increments, while a slump shows low volume. MACD procedure. The moving typical assembly uniqueness is a marker that informal investors principally use to evaluate the strength of patterns, indicate their heading, and pinpoint potential defining moments. For instance, the MACD histogram's emotional ups and downs demonstrate that the cost is either oversold or overbought. Subsequently, you could see a cost circle back signal. Holding methodology. This methodology's center standard is to cling to the digital money until its cost expansions later on and by no means sell it. Purchasing and holding is the most straightforward venture technique and requires no specialized ability. So you don't need to stress over missing out on the drawn-out advantages of LTC assuming you utilize this strategy. Litecoin principal examination. Litecoin ventured separated from other opponent digital forms of money on account of its headways like quicker block proliferation speeds and taking on the script hashing calculation. It likewise stayed away from a premine, permitting blockchain-based crypto engineers to mine coins before the venture is disclosed. One significant component helping it out is its reliability. Subsequently, it is viewed as the silver of the crypto market, a trustworthy digital currency that can be utilized to exchange at a sensibly fair cost since it hasn't had any remarkable double dealing. The cryptographic money is presently additionally popular with brokers and examiners who exchange on its cost in view of its limited stockpile and issuance limitations. Thus, LTC can be utilized in a portfolio to give financial backers perceivability to the developments of the digital currency market with next to no unsavory shocks due to its reliability. Since there are lower expenses on the Litecoin network than on networks with strong exchange costs, it guarantees protection is a lot less complex. It is acknowledged by numerous crypto installment passages and is utilized to buy labor and products also. Litecoin current cost. Litecoin is right now worth $55.58 USD. LTC has moved 1.62% as of now with an exchanging volume of $422,359,913. Litecoin is right now positioned 20 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,790,929,991 USD. Litecoin value forecast 2022. Litecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The LTC cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $83.38. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. averaging $77.82 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. LTC is supposed to have a base worth of $66.70. Litecoin value expectation 2023. In 2023, Litecoin LTC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of LTC will before long outperform $138.96. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the LTC's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, LTC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $111.17 and a typical exchanging cost of $122.29. Litecoin value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $194.55 and LTC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. LTC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $177.87 and a low of $166.75 in 2024. Litecoin value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Litecoin effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the LTC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LTC will be green in 2025. The LTC is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $250.13, with a base cost of $222.34 and a typical cost of $233.46. Litecoin value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the LTC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $289.04 by 2026, with a base cost of $277.92 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, LTC has a most extreme value worth of $305.72. Litecoin value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $344.63. In the event that LTC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $361.30. Neglecting to accumulate the help LTC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $333.51. Litecoin value expectation 2028. While LTC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $389.09 and a yearly cost close above $416.89 in 2028. Litecoin value expectation 2029. By 2029, Litecoin will at last outperform its past ATM